Hi everyone, I'm Arnold, reliability engineer at Spartakus Technologies. Today, I'd like to share some insights into our asset strategy and preventive maintenance optimization services here at Spartakus, which is also referred as PMO. A robust PM program is essential to ensure efficient and reliable plant operation. Our goal is to perform the right task at the right time by the right person with the right procedure. We've seen that deploying accurate asset strategy has a direct impact on, first, maximizing equipment availability. Implementing failure mode finding tasks and condition-based monitoring tasks, we are able to reduce both the unplanned and the planned downtime. Second impact we see, we're able to identify more potential failures. The essence of PM task lies in its capacity to uncover potential issue early and allow for timely corrective actions. And finally, the third impact that we see, we are able to extend equipment lifetime. Doing the right proactive maintenance task on your asset will lead to optimal care of your machine, therefore directly impacting their lifetime. When designing asset strategy, we follow a simple yet effective 3-step process. First thing first, we break down our assets into maintainable components. Step number 2, we will define all the potential failure modes of those components. And we also use our failure mode library that we've built over years of experience to do such process. And finally, step number 3, we will assign specific maintenance tasks, always focusing on maximizing equipment uptime to assess those specific failure modes. So that's our process for PM development. When it comes to optimization, where you already have PM tasks, we will do the same process, but adding to this process, we will first unite all disconnected strategy at your plant, do the same process that we mentioned above, but also we will eliminate all non-value added tasks within your PM program. At the end of this big process, we will deliver a complete preventive and predictive maintenance program tailored to fit your preferred format and platform. So if your PM program is highly subjective, not meeting your expectations in terms of potential failure findings, or if you have a high amount of intruding tasks causing a lot of planned downtime, let's connect and explore how we can improve your asset strategies.